And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. The Jamaica Rum Festival upping the ante for 2020. The second staging of the Jamaica Rum Festival, or JRF, scheduled for this weekend, promises to take patrons on a journey through rum, whilst showcasing Jamaica's high excellence in food, art, culture and live music. Festival Director Valen Thorpe shared details on what patrons can expect at this year's staging.
This year we're back again to give you something bigger and better. We've doubled the footprint of the festival this year around. We've doubled exhibitors at the festival. We've expanded our food courts. We've expanded the number of bars that we've increased the number of bars that we have. We've doubled the music lineup for both Saturday and Sunday night. So there's a lot more for patrons to experience and a lot more for patrons to enjoy when they come to the Jamaica Rum Festival. The Minister of Tourism and Tourism Enhancement Fund have sponsored many art exhibitors to showcase this year around. We've doubled how many exhibitors are there from rum linkages industries.
JRF 2020 promises to be bigger and better, upping the ante with an explosive entertainment lineup.
On Saturday night, we can expect performances from Tessellated, Naomi Cowan, Mortimer, Spragga Benz, Protege, Ding Dong and the Ravers and Bugle. And on Sunday night, we can expect performances from Kimani Marley, from Capleton, from Freddie McGregor, Cocoa Tea and Indy Allen.
Already sold out on Gustazos.com, JRF tickets are going fast.
Tickets are going fast. Make sure you get yours. It's going hot, 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 hot. It's this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, February 29th and March 1st. Meet us at Hope Gardens for a weekend to never forget. Tickets are available at Fontana, H&L, Rapid True Value, Peter Grill, and you can source them online at jarumfestival.com.
The Jamaica Rum Festival aims to promote and highlight the heritage of Jamaica's beloved rums. Beenie Man giving back to a worthy cause. As the RGR Gleaner Cross Country invaded Manchester High School this past Saturday, Beenie Man was the headlining act for the show. He's all about giving back. Here's what he had to say.
Come and perform for the people them, free of all cost, it's great because it's not all the time a man can find a $5 grand or a $3 grand to come pay, to come watch a night. So the chance them can get and them really turn out because people them really there, them come for full joy themselves. So I can just do this to the best of my ability and just make sure them feel good.
And look out for the cross country to invade the western parishes of Westmoreland, Hanover and St. James this weekend with the Family Fun Day at Godfrey Stewart High School. See you there. Pop star Rihanna gives a stirring speech at the 2020 NAACP Image Awards. Now, the pop star Rihanna gave a riveting acceptance speech as she accepted the President's Award over the weekend, highlighting the importance of unifying communities and encouraging people of color to tell their friends of different races to pull up.
We can't do it divided. I cannot emphasize that enough. So when we're marching and protesting and posting about the Michael Brown Jr.'s and the Tatiana Jeffersons of the world, tell your friends to pull up.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.